Have you ever noticed how one contractor tells you $60,000 and the other one says $140,000 for the same basement? And you were sitting there thinking, are they even talking about the same project? They're not. Here's why basement quotes in Toronto are all over the place right now. First is scope. One quote might include a full bathroom, proper insulation, electrical upgrades. And the other, just framing and drywall. Same basement, completely different scope. Second is missing items. A lot of quotes looks cheaper because things are simply not included. Things like permits, HVAC adjustments, soundproofing, and finishing details. They don't show up until later. And when they do, that's when your budget jumps. Third, this is a big one. Legal versus non-legal basements. A legal basement requires fire separation, proper egress, inspections, and code compliance. That alone can add tens of thousands of dollars. So if one quote is legal and the other isn't, they are not comparable. And finally, hidden cost. This is where most homeowners get caught. Things like moisture issue, leveling the floors, structure adjustments. They don't show up in quick quotes. They show up during construction as change orders. So when people ask me, why are quotes all over the place? This is why. Because most quotes aren't based on a fully understood project. That's why we don't provide quotes up front. We start with a full feasibility and pricing assessment, so you know exactly what you're dealing with before anything begins. If you're serious about finishing your basement and want to avoid surprises, book your feasibility assessment using the link below. Or if you are still early and just want to understand your options, you can request a planning call.